Hello learners, today we are going to learn some useful English words and phrases while talking about the current floods in Manipur. Look at this picture. We say flood streets when water covers the roads. We say relentless rain for rain that doesn't stop. And people forced to leave their homes are called displaced family. Manipur has been hit by relentless rain for 2 days. Repeat after me. Thousands of people have been displaced. These are real sentences about the situation. Repeat after me. In just 48 hours, heavy rainfalls have affected many districts: Imphal, Thoubal, Kaksing, Bishenpur. Relief teams are rescuing and supporting people. Relief teams means groups who helps during emergencies. Even in crisis, people help each other. In English, we can say humanity shines through. Repeat after me. So today you learned words like relentless rain, displaced families, relief team, and the phrase humanity shines through. All form a real event. Keep practicing these phrases and also keep Manipur in your thoughts. Stay safe and keep learning.